So in the previous video, I have created a list, and after that I show the list of the invoice. But now today I will work with some data types. Here you can see actually that is the invoice quantity and name of the product, but actually there is no price. So now today we'll use the price here, and we also discuss about the data type of that. So that is the part of step 20, the data types of the official website. So let's start on that. So first of all, what we have to do, so this view is that invoice list view, and in that item list that all item is showing. So now actually that is the list and that is the title. So we have to work here. So let me just this, and here we should not close here, so we can add something. So this format we will appear here. I am adding the number, and this number, it should be like this, and after that parts, and that is the same way what we call here, and that is the, if I go to the invoice folder, hello panel we can close, hello panel we can close, hello dialog, invoice list. Okay, so now you can see the extended price. So invoice, then we can use that extended price, and from that view we will like from here, let's work with only the price. Later we will add the currency just for the understanding. So now this is, that is the on part here, so we can this, and now we have to put the type, and the type SAP UI.model type currency here. Then we have to put the option, then this option show measure, we can make it false. Actually it's and like this. So now if we refresh, so now you can see that respective extended price is here, but still we need to do something, because we have to put the currency, I mean that euro, we need to put here, like this current currency is euro. But if we go to the I need JSON, actually it is just the price, but it is not, nothing is about the euro. So we will add the euro here. So how we will do this euro? So that is the reason we have to create another view, and this view we have to load this view. So you know that any type of any type of logic, we have to use the controller. So now what we will do, we will have to create a controller for that. So because up to this it is good, I mean that you can see the data, but we want to add something more, like we will also add some data from the view. So now that is the reason we are now going to create a controller to load that view. So if I go here, invoice list controller.js, here SAP UI.define, that is the basic structure of that for any controller. We can call this, we can remove this. So now that is the basic function. Now we will call our require package, so that is the SAP UI core, then MVC. So now we'll call controller, and this controller it is also showing here, so that we can call that object. And another is that SAP UI model, then JSON model. So model is also appearing here. So basically now that is the, here we have to use that function, handler function, to so that it will load the data. Return controller dot extend. So we have to name this, so it is, so we have to put in the list, I mean that we have to use the, like I am copying for the other, just for to correct the to use the correct name. So here that is controller name is InvoiceList, and here we need to put the second bracket. So basically that's all about the format, how you can write the controller, and that is the structure. So now we will use the onInt. Why I am using onInt? Because onInt function will show data, will do when the page will load or when the view will load. So here this is the onInt, and we don't need this. So yeah, that is the function, and constant, then view model new JSON model, and now we can currency. This currency is euro, or you can also say the US dollar based on your project. I am putting the euro, then this should be closed. Then we have to load into that view, get view dot set model. It is the O view model. Then we need to put that view. Okay, but this has created, actually we done this. So return on INIT, that is also good. So now what we have to do, we have to align this view with that. So that is the controller. We have to align this with the view. So if we go to the invoice list, here we have to because earlier we didn't need this, but now we need. So we have to add the controller name. Controller name is this, what I mentioned in the controller. So let's see. So I'm checking because still something is wrong. So here parts invoice extended prices here. So okay, so now here first let's complete that, the price. Then now we can use that view, and that is currency, and here, so that is the format. The format is in here. So here here is the number unit. It is the same way. View that currency. So now we have to find out where is that issue. So first of all, if you want to find out the issue, you have to press the F12. So missing after argument list, so that is the syntax error. So let's find where is that. So now, so basically this format is, actually this should not be under function. Like if we remove this, so just controller, then JSON. If we close this, and so now it will be just like this. So still okay, so still let's check where is another mistake here. Okay, so actually this function is now just fine actually. So I just go back to my previous step. So now I'm adding again, so this dot get first get view, then set model. First we have to close this, then we have to work here, so that is view model view. So now if we refresh, so now you can see that view currency is data is showing, but view currency, let me check why it is not showing. Probably we missed the curly bracket. Okay, so that is the view currency, that part. So here, yeah, as I expected, so it should be under the curly bracket and it should be like this. It's sorry, this. So if we now refresh, you can see that euro is showing. So now that is the quantity, that is the product name, and that is the item, and that is the currency. So now you can understand that how you can format your currency and how you can call the view, and that's it. So that's the part of the data type. So let's continue with the expression binding in the next video. Thank you.